Hello, in front of me I've got Ausdom A261 Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you how to install SD card to your camera. In the beginning, make sure that your SD card is going to be used only on your camera and it has no files you will need in the future, because when you install your SD card to the camera, the SD card will go through format process. Now, when all is settled, simply insert your SD card into this slot. Push it until you hear a click. Now your SD card is installed. Push it again to take it out. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.